Foci, a next-generation video editor based entirely on LLMs, making video editing accessible to those who don't have the time or the software to do so. So the premise of our app is that there are 3 steps. So first, users upload videos, and then they are processed using vector embeddings, and then the user uses prompts to find videos that pertain to certain topics, and then finally, a video is edited together from all of the selected clips. So here we have a mock-up of our homepage and some other things. Unfortunately, due to the tight time constraints of the hackathon, we were not able to fully integrate everything that we made. So on the back end, we first split the video into a series of frames, which we can then embed using the multimodal Titan embedding models. Apparently my Mac does not want to show a video while I simultaneously record my screen. If this ever renders, you'll see that we have 1 frame per second, so we do a little bit of FFmpeg magic, we decompose it, and then we embed all of them, putting them into an OpenSearch database. And then from there, we are able to find all of the clips which are the most similar to the prompt. So for example here, my prompt is that I want anything with a tree in it, and then we have the similarity scores per frame. As you can see, this is kind of sporadic, and we get a distribution that's roughly like an inverted logistic curve. We're able to take some segments of those to extract clips from. So each of these clips are just sections of the video that have the intended subject, and at the end, all of these clips are pooled and then edited together into a final video using an FFmpeg wrapper, and the LLM is actually does all of the planning for that. So due to time constraints, I don't have that right now, but for this specific experiment, but I do have some output using footage from a previous hackathon. So we can have an entirely LLM guided video. This is just like a rough bake. So as you can see, it can include transitions, it can include clips, and all of these things are included without human intervention. Right, so now a tiny bit about, we'll quickly go through a slide deck, and that will be it for our demo.
So basically we just have all the information here due to time constraints and everything. We're Foci, kind of drawing from the eye of the aspects of the camera and relating it to the eye. And then we have all our information on here with the problem statement, solution, target audience, our technology stack by our team of engineers, the competitive advantage, and business model, which basically comprises our minimum viable product. Thank you.
All right, awesome.